Introducing the Quik Drive Project Pro screw driving tool from Simpson Strong-Tie. Project Pro attaches to almost any cordless drill or impact driver. It installs up to 4 times faster than using loose screws. It's perfect for building or repairing decks, fences, subfloors, and more. Project Pro works with strips of Quik Drive collated screws that are 1 5/8 to 2.5 inches long. For outdoor projects, use Deck-Drive DSV wood screws. Indoors, use Strong-Drive WSV subfloor screws. These premium low-torque fasteners are designed for strength, speed, and easy installation. Together with Project Pro, you'll save time and effort on any project. Get the Quik Drive Project Pro screw driving tool at your local home center or hardware dealer or online. Find out more at strongtie.com/projectpro.